On Monday, the 11th of October, the Minister of Finance, Mr. Clyde Caruana, has presented the budget for the year 2022. If we had to look at the economic outlook for next year, the forecasted deficit and government debt are still on the high side, driven by the public spending due to the COVID-19 pandemic. On a more positive note, the government is forecasting a real growth in the economy, an increase in private consumption, capital investment and in employment. The main measures can be classified into three, being fiscal measures, social measures and environmentally friendly measures. The main fiscal measures related to the acquisition of immovable property, with favourable rates applying to certain properties located in urban conservation areas and old properties which have been vacated for long. Previous reduction in stamp duty rates applicable on the transfer of family business, on the acquisition of first properties, second properties and properties located in Gozo have also been extended. The fiscal measures also include favourable tax rates for pensioners, part-timers, artists and employees who are remunerated for overtime work. From a company point of view, a measure has been introduced which gives the possibility to surrender unabsorbed capital allowances to group entities. This applies in case where the company could not absorb the capital allowances because of losses incurred due to the COVID-19 pandemic. With respect to social measures, these include an increase in bonuses for pensioners, an increase in the bonus granted to parents on the birth of a child, an extension in the free childcare schemes applicable to employees who work atypical hours, and an increase in the stipends for students. The cost of living adjustment was set at €1.75 per week, which is topped up by €3.25 in the case of pensioners. It has also been announced that the COLA mechanism will be revised. In line with the EU's low-carbon development strategy to achieve climate neutrality by 2050, the Minister has announced a number of environmentally friendly measures. These include increase in the grants when one acquires an electric vehicle and an extension in the exemption from the payment of registration tax and annual license for electric cars. Another green measures aimed at increasing the use of public transport is to offer the service for free to all Maltese residents. The budget speech also included some other measures which are of interest. The sports enthusiasts have been promised a motor track, a pool with an Olympic size, and funds are expected to be funded to Sports Association in anticipation of the Small Nations Games to be held in Malta in 2023. On a final note, the Minister has declared that an action plan has been set up to tackle the various concerns raised by the FATF, which actions have already started to be implemented. For further detail, I invite you to go through our website and follow our social media account.